Good day everyone. To start my day, I make my coffee every morning and this is how I make it. For breakfast, it's pancit canton, binilitan ni mama and we're sharing it. Akit tayo sa taas. And ito ay papakita ko sa inyo itong working space namin. So, ayan yung aking Cricut machine. And then, ito yung working space ng aking kapatid. As you can see, hindi siya maganda. So, we will renovating soon and modernize the space. So, today, linisin natin itong working area para kapag gumawa ka ng stickers is comfortable ako. Sobrang maalikabok na, kaya kailangan natin siyang i-brush. Ito naman, mga Pokemon collectibles from Jollibee. Display talaga ito sa PC and i-arrange natin ito maya-maya. Na-arrange na natin pero mamaya magugulo na naman yan. Ito naman yung box ng Pokemon collectibles and sa loob niyan may laman na Pokeballs or Great Balls. Wala dapat ito sa tabi ng aking Cricut machine, so ilagay natin ito sa cabinet.